Hello everyone and welcome. I'm sorry I have to talk like very fast because there's a lot of stuff to talk about. So I don't want this to be like actually 30 minutes. So let's try to fit it in like 15, 20. This is a showcase of top free MMORPG lineage to top vote platform. Damn, that was mouthful. Um, it's pretty much self-configuration admin panel type of top vote platform that anybody can use. It's a multi-sale script that pretty much anybody can use. I already said that. Okay, let's talk about it. You got a video here. You got some of the images. Those images will come with the script. They are PSD and just a template of After Effects that you can edit yourself. Just replace the logos. You can hire someone to do that. You can hire me to do that. You can hire me to make you totally new designs. You can hire somebody else to make you new designs. It doesn't really matter. So you can edit anything that you want. You can put one up, two down, five up, three down. You can edit this any way that you want. You have top highlighted servers, which are 10 sellable spots. You got top voted servers. You got coming soon ones, beta servers, and whatnot. Our partners, pretty much, it's for CEO purposes. Somebody you want to exchange traffic with, you can put them there. Now let's talk about these slots and the admin panel for them. Alright, I was already logged in. I will log out and log in again. Alright, so here you got banner types, which pretty much are self-explanatory. It's the ones that I set up. So you got all of this here, but you can also delete this. You can add new ones. You can do whatever you want. Once you make one, you're going to get this short code, and I'm going to show you what you're going to do with it in just a moment. So pretty much here you can set up size. It can be custom, it can be whatever. It can be advertise here box, which is just a border red with red text in the middle. It's just a box. Or you can also make something fancy like this with HTML content and just an image. And then where it's going to lead, it's going to lead to our terms of services with also purchase page, which they can use to buy stuff. We're going to buy something to actually test it and show you that it works. So let's check out banners before we check any settings. So this is going to be banner type, title, email, and how many people have seen it and how many people have clicked on it. Once somebody buys something, it's going to be here, transactions, pretty much what they bought, the email, who paid it, and whatnot. So let's talk about the settings. The settings are just a classic email bodies, who sent it, in what scenario they're going to get which message. You can customize this as much as you want. Enable approval mechanism, pretty much simple stuff. If you want to review it yourself or if you want it to be automatic. Automatic is unchecked and manual is checked if you want to have more control. You can also select how many days for the minimum days payments. You can also use any currency that you want. The accepted payments are BitPay, Intercasa, Perfect Money, PayPal, Payza, Skrill, and Stripe. And pretty much I just used the PayPal, but you can use anything you want. You can also click on these mini links to see how they work, or just take you directly to your merchant ID in this case, for example, if you choose to use merchant ID. All right, I think pretty much I covered this up. There's nothing special about it. Just you make the banner. Oh yeah, I forgot the short code. Once you get the short code, you can log here. You can come here, log in as administrator. My cat is killing me with the noise. All right, there we go. We're logged in as admin. Now we go to admin, website settings, ads, and pretty much you can see my point why this is customizable, because you can make any sizes and then just slap it here and pack it the way you want. The bottom ads also, you can add them. I personally didn't because it's too much for me, but if somebody wants, they have that option as well. Same goes for side ads as well. All right, before we go into more details about website settings, I want to show you the classic stuff when people are logged out. So you got your home page, you got the all server page. If you click here, you pretty much got the comments report, but you can only use them if you're logged in. All of the servers got the vote codes exposed publicly, because if somebody wants to advertise them, they can also do it like this. You got your statistics and you got your general stuff. Pretty much that's it. So I already voted for this one, I think, but anyways, we can use the other one for testing. Oh, actually, I can use that one to show you how it's like when it's already voted. I think I didn't vote for this one. Okay, there's 15 seconds wait time. Pretty much simple. Bounce rate is the answer. You want to lower your bounce rate by making it more engaging for the user, by forcing them to wait for 15 seconds. Now Michael is murdering me with an eyes. Alright, it says I already voted her again, which is true, and I'm going to show you why it's true in just a moment. Oh my gosh. Now to show you why this is true, we're going to come here and we're going to do some testing. Again, we gotta wait some time and then we can vote for the new server that we just made. Submit. We have successfully voted, and now we can go to vote reward system to review that one. So we have two servers right here, which is true. We do have it under this account. In here we have L2 JavaScript and L2 JSON, L2G Frozen, just some examples, but anyone who knows Java and works as developer can add this in your vote system. The reason why is it's just simple checks to see, for example, total votes 1, because I did just vote once a moment ago, and then we can see if my IP address voted, and the answer is true, it did indeed. And that's pretty much all the hassle about the vote reward system. Just a moment. Oh my god, she's killing me. She's very angry. If I die, call the police. Okay, we got Crest again, same reason, CEO, because if somebody types Clan Alley Crest in the Google, your page might pop up, and they can also download the file editor, which I just did. Now you got your register page. I'm going to register real quickly just to show you. Testing this stuff, testing this stuff, testing this stuff, testing. I'm not a robot, and go. Alright, I just made my account. So now with my account, what can I do? I can add something to favorites. There we go. L2 test server is now my favorite, and if I go here into my favorites, I can see that it indeed is. You can see here also server favorites. What else can I do with my account? I can go to my servers, which I don't have. It's going to tell me that I'm a loser and I don't have any servers. And then I can go to my profile and see that I don't have anything, but I can also edit my profile and add some social stuff. Like here, if I add anything, it's going to display it, so we might as well use it. I can also check it as a private profile, so nobody can see my profile. I can add my website here, my location, and a few words about me. I am me. Thank you very much. Submit. And that's pretty much it. You can update it and change design. You can update your design. I don't want to right now, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go to my profile. You can see all the changes that are here, and if I click here, it's actually going to take me to ASD, which I did input. And that's pretty much it for that. Let's go to change password. You can change your password, doesn't really matter. And we checked out everything here. That's interesting. Let's log out. Let's log in with an admin again. Oh, actually I could have, yeah, doesn't matter. Okay, I could have, that I forgot totally, is to do like add a comment. This is comment, which I think I even did, parking meters, and submit, and success. And since this is a PHP, I gotta restart, and then we can see 2 test comments because I already did one like 8 minutes ago when my cat was even noisier, so I had to stop. So this is like a second test. Um, yeah, pretty much you can use as administrator admin edit. You can edit their stuff, make it private, highlight the server, disable the server, delete the server. You can edit all of their info, pretty much as noisy as it gets. What else? You can report it. This is a report. Or please turn off this cat. This was already reported. Okay, I already reported it last time, so yeah. Okay, you got statistics. I don't know if I said that already. I'm fucking lost now. Yeah, pretty much that's it from that. We're going to test adding server in a bit, and let's move on to the admin sections. So you can manage users, you can change anything you want, you can delete them, you can deactivate them, ban them, you know, whatever. You can edit it. You can also set the user to be administrator or the owner if you want. Let's go manage servers. You can manage servers. If the server is private, it's going to have a little bit icon there. We're going to force one to go private to see it, and we're going to go back to the manage servers so you can see that this one is private, and it's also displaying here for us to see. Pretty much when you make them private, they either did something wrong, you want them to fix it so they can, you know, apply again. Then you can come here, you can check it if they did it, and you can either delete them if they didn't do what you want them to do, or you can approve them if they did what you wanted to do. All right, let's move on to categories. You can make any client that you want. If a new one comes out, you can just add it right here, like no fuss. And you can also make them a lot neater than I did. You can set up like in categories. You can do like classic, and then inside the classic you can do 1.5 and 2.0 and whatnot. I just slap them, but you can select category and just do it like that. Now the cover image is just the cover image as it says. So if we go to all servers and we click on this one, you're going to see this background image. That's the cover image. Let's go and do websites. Actually, let's do manage reports since we do have a report now. Let's view this report, and it says this is just a report. This is something that I did last time before my cat was way too noisier. So you can either delete the server based on this report, or you can delete the report. If you delete the report, it's gone, like nothing happened. Now let's go to manage website settings, and here you have your CEO stuff like website title, meta description, just a tracking code for Google Analytics. You got banned words if you want them, avatar maximum upload size, profile cover maximum size and whatnot, contact emails, and you can either choose if you want your users to verify the email when they register or not by checking or unchecking this. Now in the server section you can set the cache time, which I pretty much wouldn't touch this. If you put it too low, you're going to rape your hosting. If you put it too high, it's going to be, yeah. So pretty much it's just fine like this. Server pagination, as it says, how many servers will be displayed per one page. So the second thing is make new servers public. So if you want them, they can register a server and it will automatically be accepted and it will show. But if you leave it like this, you will have to approve every server that registers, so it's up to you. Display offline servers if you want to display if the server is offline or not, pretty much self-explanatory. We talked about advertisement already. Now reCAPTCHA here, it's just a v2 CAPTCHA from Google. You can slap here your public and private key and that will be done. Automatic payment system, as it says, this is a system for the purchase top 10 highlight spots. So you set all your information here. It accepts only PayPal, and you have to be registered and logged in and to have a server in order to use this. This is one of the main reasons why this is separated, because your banner can be bought by anyone, but your top 10 highlights can be bought only by your users. Now in the socials, you can set pretty much these four if you want. If you don't want them, you can remove them and they will be gone. So, all right, so we have skipped. I have downloaded again or stole it again. I'm going to black out this part and I'm going to find it and I'm going to slap it. Okay, now that that's done, we can look at it again and then we can do title and link. We can put this and then my email, and then I want to buy this. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so it wants me to pay 0.05 euros, which is the price that I set for testing. So I'm going to go confirm and pay. PayPal is going to make me validate the CAPTCHA and it's going to make me log in. Let's do that. We have logged in and we're going to pay. And there we go. I just made the payment to myself. And there we go, we're back. So we have one banner. That's left side. And we got the transition from myself, which is completed. And we are done. And there we go. It's right there. I have stole this, so yeah. Free advertisement for the heyday, which is not intentional, by the way. I will remove it like right now. We have used it for testing and it has served its purpose. Okay, now that we've seen that that works, let's talk a little bit about highlight. Okay, highlights, it says in the corner 10, right? So let's do this. Let's do admin edit and let's give it highlight. And let's see how it works now. Now it's going to say 9 because 1 is in use. So there's 9 free spots right now. Okay, what else we haven't talked about? Oh my god, it's already 22 minutes video. Damn. Pretty much that should be it. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask me. I'm going to try and answer as much as possible. But yeah, I forgot again to add this server. So let's do a quick test server to see how it works. So I actually don't have any IP, so I'm going to use I don't actually have any servers, so I'm just going to use like website or something. I'm going to grab the IP from here and then I'm just going to use that as an IP and the port 443 for SSL, and then I'm going to use L2 test server 3. Now this one we're going to do into coming soon, and we're going to pick like 20th, and then we're going to pick at 9, and then we're going to set up our rates. And then for this one we are going to use, you can select country because you can choose which community that you want. So even if your server is located in Germany, you can actually choose Greece, for example. And then we add our website and just some description. Okay, if I don't put anything in the banner, it's going to use the default banner that you can see right here. And you will also get that in the PSD, so you can edit that as well. So let's choose one. I'm going to black out again this part because I'm scrolling through my files. There's a lot of them, and I'm going to steal another server to use as an example. Okay, it will say all servers that do not have our banners on their website within 24 hours will be deleted. You can also change this as well if you want. Okay, so here we can see my servers right now, and we have 2 servers which are fat, and here we have pretty much, if we go to all servers, we're not going to see the other one that we just made because we have to approve it because we didn't set the settings. Hit this check radio button, so it's automatic, so we gotta approve it. So once we are here, we can see which ones are private, and this one is highlighted. This one is highlighted right now. It's going to show us that it's highlighted with this little highlighted icon. So let's do what we came here to do. It was this one. Okay, so I had to cut to this part because from the 3 servers I got it wrong like twice. So once we are here, we review it. Okay, everything seems fine, and then we go remove private. So now the server is public, and we can see it here as well as its opening date. And once we get here, we can see it as well in coming soon servers. And that's pretty much it. That's the whole thing about this. I'm going to leave everything as it is. I hope L2 Reality doesn't mind that I stole this. Thank you guys for watching, and that's the whole shenanigans about the platform. Pretty much you've seen, you can edit anything you want. And if they are not in the admin panel, they're going to be in configuration file that you will also get. So don't worry about anything. Thank you for watching, and see ya.